Hey YouTube, Zane Frank here. Today we're going to be opening up a hobby box of 2022 Heritage High Number. I always love Heritage High Number. I did open a box off camera though, and I did get an auto. So I'm going to try second box. And here's my auto I got. Tyler McGill. I mean, what a beautiful auto. Just fantastic. Anyway, we'll set that back there. Okay. So maybe we'll get super lucky and go 2 for 2 on autos in these things. It'd be nice to get a hot box. I really want a hot box out of Heritage this year. Heritage High Number, I should say. Oh, we got Amos Otis box topper. I've been noticing, excuse me. I've been noticing they've been doing Amos Otis cards in a lot of stuff this year, so interesting. All right, set that back there. Okay, so there's different pack arts. So we got Judge. We got Buxton. I think that's MJ Melendez. Because it doesn't look like Salvador Perez. And Kershaw pack. So I like how they're doing different pack arts on this. Alright, let's start it off. There's pack odds. I don't think we got a hot box. I don't see a chrome card in there. Alright, so we got Matt Chapman. Card quality looks pretty decent. With this black border on the back, it's going to be really tough to get PSA 10 caliber things though. Mark Canha, JP Sears, Joe Dunand, Billy Williams highlights, Garrett Crochet, Jackie Bradley Jr., Jason Kryzan rookie, and Tommy Romero. Definitely looking for the big rookies in this stuff. Ha-Seong Kim, Spencer Howard, Kyle Freeland, Jameson Taillon, World Series MVP Jorge Soler, Otto Lopez, Connor Overton, Kendall Graveman, and Mackenzie Gore. There's an okay rookie. I'm gonna set aside my more favorite rookies that we pull. Oh man, the bottom corners of these look like some of them are dinged a little bit. So hopefully none of our good rookies, if we get any, will be dinged. You get one auto, it says right there, a real one auto or relic card in every box. So definitely want the auto rather than a relic. And maybe for lucky we'll get another awesome. Don't know if I can zoom in on that any more than that. Tyler McGill. Cooper Hummel. There's a good rookie. Bryson Stott. I'm going to sleeve these after. Michael Chavez. Stephen Kwan. That's like a top 5 rookie card out of this, I think. George Springer. Rylan Bannon. Ella Harris Montero. James Karinchak, and Andrew Benintendi. Ooh, got a chrome card. Lucius Fox. Jose Miranda, that's one of the better rookies. Jack Sawinski, and then our chrome card. We'll set that down there. Angel Zerpa. Juan Yepes, my nemesis pull this year. Cooper Criswell and Andrew McCutcheon. I'm just checking for short prints. If it's like an image variation, it should say something like right there. So it's always good to check the backs of your cards. Also, you could get flip stocks. Clint Frazier. Suzuki, another decent rookie. Chris Paddock. Juan Soto. Carlton Fisk. Nick Plummer. Daniel Vogelbach. River San Martin, and Giovanni Moran. Chris Bubick, Jorge Soler, Ivan Castillo. There's a good one. Hunter Green, rookie. There's a Wander now and then rookie card. Wander's first home run. Gabriel Arias, Alec Boehm, Josh Hader, and Kikuchi. Still hanging on to the major leagues somehow. Okay. Oh. Luke Jackson, Bailey Ober, Scott Barlow, Josh Reddick, Tony Gonsolin, Josh Winder, Nate Lowe, Eric Hosmer, Gary Sanchez. The Kraken. Nate Pearson, Luis Barrera, Trey Mancini, Gerardo Parra, Jonathan Heasley, Brandon Marsh. That's a decent rookie. MJ Melendez, another good one. Javier Baez, Max Scherzer. So there's so many. This product's kind of loaded with awesome rookies, I think. So that's why I bought a couple boxes. Okay, so the Heat. This is a short print because it's numbered over 700. So that rookie, Jonathan Heasley, is a short print. Baez and Scherzer. Okay, they're just regular cards. C.J. Abrams, very good rookie. Lamont Wade. Ah, there we go. Julio Rodriguez. Very cool. Actually, I'm going to sleeve that one. So we can get it in here. The centering looks pretty good too. And the corners look good. So that was lucky there that we got a nice Julio. Here we go. There, it went in nicely. There we go. Zach Short, Pujols, Kopech, Jahmai Jones, Ryan Mountcastle with the All-Star rookie, Matt Brash. Sonny Gray, Bo Brisky, Carlos Correa, Chris Bryant, Ryan Feltner, Luis Garcia with the All-Star rookie. They have so many good young pitchers on that team. It's scary. So I don't even think they're going to miss Verlander a whole lot. They're still going to be really good. Bradley Zimmer, Palante, Jake McCarthy, rookie. Christian Pache. Ah, there's a good rookie. Spencer Strider. I actually might sleeve this. There hasn't been a lot of Spencer Strider rookies this year. This is not PSA 10 on the back at least. A little too much chippy on the sides. Jacob Robson, Packy Naughton, Wade Miley, Joey Bart, Royce Lewis, that's a good rookie, Jack Lopez, Whit Merrifield. Now, I'm not saying these other guys aren't good. It's just I don't know that much about them. Ryan Feltner, it's a short print, and he's a rookie. And Wade Miley, that one is a short print. Oh man, not gonna get the auto here because you can see we have a relic card. I'm guessing that's a relic card. Jose Urquidy, Jose Trevino, Carlos Carrasco, John Birdie, Brady Singer, Isaac Paredes, Shogo Akiyama, and a Clayton Kershaw relic. I wonder if that was a Clayton Kershaw pack. That would have been pretty cool. But, and at least it's a decent relic. Game used memorabilia. Now, maybe we can get like an image variation or something. Eduardo Escobar, Brian Anderson, Marco Gonzalez, Jake Arrieta, Kevin Plawecki, Josh Bell, Gio Urshela, Jose Azocar, Luke Williams. Oh. There's still some pretty good rookies we haven't pulled yet either. Trevor Story, Mark Colazavari, Kevin Smith, Dane Dunning. It's kind of a cool image there. I like that. Josh Harrison, Corey Seager, Texas Ranger, Helio Ramos, Mitch Garver, and Jorge Lopez. Josh Harrison is a short print. So we are getting quite a few of the short print cards. Make it easier to build a set someday. Brad Keller, Griffin Canning, AJ Pollock, Owen Miller. Oh, Clint Frazier. It's like black and white. Yeah, black and white parallel. Huh, I didn't know there was such a thing. IKF, Connor Pilkington, Anthony Rizzo, Sandy Leon. Too bad that wasn't a rookie. I didn't know Clint Frazier was on the Cubs either. Trey Turner, now in the Phillies. Daz Cameron. Ooh, we got a mini. So this is some interesting stuff in this box. Elias Diaz, Miles Mikolas, Carlos Rodon, Simon Muzziotti, Gasuke Kato rookie, Brendan Donovan, that's a decent rookie. I'm going to save the mini too. Alright. So we're finding some kind of cool little cards in here in this box. Even though we didn't get an autograph. Sean Gunther, Edward Cabrera, Andrew Stevenson, Nick Gordon, Gavin Sheets, rookie performers, Jock Peterson, Justice Sheffield, Alejandro Kirk, Adbert Alzolay, Chris Sale, Jean Adon, Peyton Henry, Elvis Peguero. There's Ohtani. Welcome to the Shoto. Oh, Juan Soto and Ohtani. I'll sleeve that one probably. Yeah, that's cool. Cool insert. Brandon Drury, George Kirby, rookie. That's a good rookie. Bobby Witt Jr. and Jake Myers. Now that one does have a little bit of the bad corner. Oh, it's a shame because not a lot of chipping on the edges. Man, that was close to being a gradable caliber card there. Yeah, we did get a Julio. So. I was trying to think back. Did we pull Julio Rodriguez? We did. Randy Dobnak, AJ Alexy, Liam Hendricks, Matt Olson, Nolan Ryan, Inconceivable K-Mark, Renee Pinto, Stephen Ridings, David Peterson, Hanser Alberto. This guy's a good player. When he was on the Rangers, his hitting was not quite there, but man, he's been getting better and better at batting. See, his averages have been pretty solid. And he's definitely a decent defensive player. Okay. I think we have 5 packs. Get plenty of packs in a hobby box. That's for sure. I think it's 24. Corey Kluber, the one-inning wonder. Joan Duran, I like that glove. Pretty crazy. Trevor Larnach, Nick Lodolo. That's a decent rookie. Towers of Power. Got Judge there and Stanton. Sterling Marte, Zach Greinke, Frankie Montas, Taylor Walls. There's a drive over a left field wall for a home run. Nick Castellanos. I may never put these headsets on again. There's Torkelson rookie. This is off-centered. Some little bit of chipping on the edges, though. I mean, he's one of the maybe top 5 or 6 rookies, maybe. I don't know. Alexander Wells. Kyle Bradish. Whoa, look at the bottom of that card. Like a rip card. Denelson Lamet. Richie Palacios. Marcos Diplan. Donovan Solano. Noah Syndergaard. That's like the old... I wonder if that's a throwback Phillies uniform. Nope. I mean, it might be, but they're not counting it as one. Throwback uniforms in this... If you get one of those variations... I've never pulled one, ever. They're very nice. Very rare. Denelson Lamet is a... oh, and that was the one that's tore up as a short print. Bummer. Tony Kemp, Matt Strong, Kevin Kiermaier, Bryce Elder, Joe Adell. Oh, that's a short print. And it did not get tore up. Kyle Isbell, Kurt Suzuki, Jorge Mateo, Cole Calhoun. See now, my box I opened off camera, I did not get any image variations or anything, so I know they're in this, but man, that must be really tough to pull. Pozo. Hey, there's a nice rookie, Jeremy Pena. Might be a little thin on top, and definitely has chipping. But I'd probably put him as one of the top 3 rookies in this set. Top 3 or 4. Alright. Brian Lavastida. J.J. Maltajevic. Jonathan Diaz. Adam Frazier. Celestino. Drew Smiley. Logan Allen. And we have 1 pack left. Ethan Roberts, Jack Flaherty, Cutter Crawford, Marcus Stroman, Clayton Kershaw, Justin Bruihl, Ronzi Contreras, Steckenrider, and Kimbrel. Okay, and one more check. The Jonathan Diaz is a short print, and it is a rookie. And Clayton Kershaw. Oh, that's a nice one to have as a short print. And it is dinged up. And off center. So, I'm going to have to say the card quality is better than the first series, but still not that great. Okay. So let's see what we got here with these other cards here. Let's check. We'll do the mini last. Okay. There's a Chrome. It's a rookie. That can't be Torkelson, I don't think. Zach Short. Looks like a dark Chrome card. Numbered 318 out of 673. All right. All right, there's that one. And then our mini. Can we get super lucky and pull a rookie mini? Somebody on the Pirates. Rookie. Ronzi Contreras. That's pretty cool. Numbered 92 out of 100. That'd be cool to get a Julio with that one. Alright. So, no auto, but some cool stuff. We did get this Ronzi mini out of 100. Zach Short out of 673. We got our Pena, Torkelson, Bobby Witt Jr., a black and white Clint Frazier. Oh, that's probably our image variation type card. Clayton Kershaw, Spencer Strider, and Julio Rodriguez. So kind of all the main rookies that we did get those. So not a terrible box. Just didn't have an auto. All right. Oh, and these were all the other interesting rookies and short prints and stuff. All right. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos later.